everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can simply get logged out of all devices on your Facebook app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will simply just dive into our video now. Please go to your Facebook first, make sure it's updated everybody. Once the app is open, then you will simply tap on this profile icon over here on the top right corner. Then you will swipe down, tap on the setting and privacy, drop down menu will appear, tap on settings, and then you will simply swipe down and go to the security option and tap on the security and login. And here you can see in the second option there is option called where you are logged in. Simply tap on the see all option and you can check out where you're logged in and where you were logged in. So these are all of the devices. You can simply tap on this three dot over here, simply tap on it and choose to log out from that device, and we see this logout option over there. So if you are logged out from other devices apart from your cell phone, then you can simply log out, or you can simply tap on this log out of all sessions option and you will get logged out of all the login devices. So yeah, this is how you can simply get logged out of your Facebook app. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. To make sure to like our video and subscribe our channel if you haven't done it yet. And yeah, thank you so much guys. I'll see you guys next time.